will take over the Gaza Strip, and we will do a job with it too. We'll own it and be responsible for dismantling all of the dangerous unexploded bombs and other weapons on the site, level the site and get rid of the destroyed buildings, level it out, create an economic development that will supply unlimited numbers of jobs and housing for the people of the area. I do see a long-term ownership position, and I see it bringing great stability to that part of the Middle East and maybe the entire Middle East.
President Trump is taking it to a much higher level. He sees a different future for that piece of land that has been the focus of so much terrorism, so many attacks against us, so many trials and so many tribulations. He has a different idea. And I think it's worth paying attention to this. We're talking about it. He's exploring it with his people, with his staff. I think it's something that could change history.
ogeysiis farxadan haddii aad joogtid dalalka Yurub xawaalada Galaxy Transfer waxa ay free ka dhigtay dhammaan lacagaha lagu diro Premier Wallet iyadoo ku gaaraysa daqiiqado gudahood ka faa'iideyso fursadan oo lacagaha ugu dir Premier Wallet ehelkaaga iyo dadka jecesha